Hey guys, I'm showing you this label land mini labels or the custom labels with the different things for the summer camp. So this comes like with a customized printing. As you can see the name and the print is very nice and crisp. You can use these labels on their school bags. There are the different things in this whole set. So different purposes, and you can use this tag on their bags. They're also like metal material, and you can see the printing and the quality. So now these are the iron on labels that can be put on the clothes, and with a hot iron you can just make it stick on the clothes. So this one is really nice to have on the kids clothes, like if you want to label them, because if they go on a summer camp they will lose, and then it will have an issue. So you can just put all these iron labels, just put it on there and put a hot label iron on top. The next thing are their shoe. Like for the shoes, you can put like on their shoes. They are the waterproof labels, and then there are the medium waterproof labels that can be used on something which is you don't need to be put in the water. And there are the mini labels for the waterproof and other waterproof labels. So these labels are all waterproof. So once they are put, they are all protected and the waterproof. They are stick on labels, so you can just take it as a sticker and then put it on anything you want. So basically, like say I want to try it on a kid's hat, so I can just take it here on a cotton one and see like a space where I want to put the name and just take out the label. So it's like a sticker, right? So you can just put it where you want to and just press, and then it's all done. So this one is really a nice thing to put on the labels. So now it's not coming out, and then it's safe. So kids have its name on the cap and can be put anywhere you want. So the kids will like it. There are different designs that you can choose from, and you can put the labels and get it prepared for the summer camp. There is another label like the waterproof I put on the water bottle. So very nice set to put on things for kids.